Hello, everybody. My name is Nick Rich. I'm here to be your local Maryland weather for March 6th, 2025. And without further ado, let's get into it. On your screen now is the precipitation model. It's basically just says rainfall, snow. We could see some isolated snow around Garrett County. There's a winter weather advisory issued for them. I'll go over more hazards at the end of the video. But as you can see, all the way through Friday afternoon and evening, all the way to very early Sunday morning, we are clear. Or not Sunday, Saturday morning, sorry. We're clear. And then we could see some isolated showers, uh, maybe some snowfall. This is all the way Saturday at 1 a.m. And that could start roughly around 11 p.m. on Friday night. We'll look more into this when tomorrow when it gets closer. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to point that out. Here's the temperature. We don't have a lot to go over today. Pretty quiet weather. Overnight, it's looking at 20s, maybe some teens, depending on where you are. Um, no 30s overnight. Looking at 20s though. And during the day, we can see highs of 40s. Um, maybe like a 45 occasionally. And then same thing for Sunday, 20s at night, and then we're looking at 40s during the day. So nothing too crazy temperature wise, nothing too cold, nothing too warm. This last model I want to show, it's just the temperature anomaly, shows how above or below average temperatures are going to be. So as you can see, we fluctuate between slightly above average to slightly below average. And then we kind of just have the same thing. We'll probably be around the 40s. We'll fluctuate from like mid 30s, 40s to like maybe a 50 here and there until next Tuesday is when we'll get a big blast of warm air, and that will stay with us all the way from Tuesday leading into the weekend, and even past that. Um, but we'll stop here because this is way too far out. This is over a week away. So, yeah. And the last thing I want to show you is just the hazards that are currently issued from the NWS. As you can see, Panhandle of Maryland, Garrett County, there's a winter weather advisory that also delves into West Virginia. Throughout most of the state, though, we are experiencing a wind advisory, so uh, wind speeds we could get some pretty decent gusts of wind, nothing crazy, um, but something slightly irregular. So just wanted to talk about this. Not much going on today. The weather yesterday was a little bit of a dud. We only had like two or three severe thunderstorm warnings. It was just pretty much just a rainstorm with some downpour at times, depending on where you are. So yeah, that's it for today. Follow all the socials so you can get live or weather updates as soon as they happen, and subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get notified when I post these videos every morning. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.